Oh, I am excited about this one. Oh my god. This is gonna be intense. I'm gonna love this. Oh my god. It's time to see the legendaries. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out my dragon. Let me just pull it out. Okay, but guys, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so cool. Where is he? Where's my dragon? Okay, so this is gonna be so cool. We're finally gonna find the legendaries, the hologram. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't even put out words that great. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm so excited, but let's see if we can trade real quick. But I don't want this to be that short of a video. So, there's so, yeah, I don't really see. Okay, this is like the only. Okay, now I'm just gonna. We wasted our time. So let's go ahead and go to Fossil Isle and find the legendary. So it's gonna be so cool. Oh my god, pets discovered 10 out of 12. Oh, why did I just do that without getting the... Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Oh my god. Time to see. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Dig. Dig. Wait, what do I want? Oh, okay, that's my shovel. Please. Yes. I'm so excited. Oh my god, yes. Oh. Come on, get it. Okay. No, I don't want to damage it. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, look at her collection. Oh my god. That's the dodo pet! OMG! No way! Oh my god! Yes. Oh my god. Oh, the T-Rex! It looks better than I even thought it was gonna be! Oh! No! Oh my god, wait, what? Come on. Oh! But I feel like it's for pets that don't have like... I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to take that off of me dragon. Okay, I have to dress up my pet. Oh. No, I want to take it. But my pet. Oh my god. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna put on the floor without moving. Oh my god. This is so cool. Ooh, I would love to put it on my dragon. It's just that it already had one. Look at it. I'm gonna go from a far distance. I'm gonna take away my pet. I said take away my pet. Okay, now I'm gonna go in first. Look at this. Look at all of these. Look at it. It's amazing. Completed the fossil quest. Oh yeah, I have. Oh my god. Look at the T-Rex first of all. Look at this. Look at this. The person, get out of the way. Oh my god. This is... I'll accept it, guys. I guess I'll try to get that. Kind of monkey, but I'll take it away, obviously. Oh my god. Oh, I can't believe this. Look at all these people. Oh my god, look at this. I've completed the quest. Now I just have to wait 2 more days till the fossils are coming. That's not fair. I want to do it now. This, I'm really interested in the legendary. Honestly, only the legendary. So cool. Look at them. Look at how awesome. Stop! Leave. I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video. I'm trying to look at it. But did someone just have a giraffe? Oh no, that's just their costume. I'm gonna turn my trade off. My god. I literally have to like kind of jump to like get a better view. Oh my god. How many times have I just been watching for like 6 minutes? Wow. No, but I'm gonna get out of this picture. But wow. Look at my collection. I like this. Oh my god. Wait, is it legendary? Yeah, this is legendary. Wow. This guy keeps on tricking me that he's a giraffe. I don't know why. But that's insane. That's insanity. Oh my god. Wow. I don't want to leave the fossil actually. The fossil. I just want to keep on watching the T-Rex. I honestly want the T-Rex more than the dodo bird, way more. The dodo bird's great, but I love the T-Rex way more. Look at it. It's looking at me. Oh my god. I want the dodo bird. But it's still awesome. The mammoth, the yashishoshoy, the ground sloth, all of these, the stegosaurus, the lophosaurus, all of these, the saber-tooth, Tasmanian tiger, pterodactyl, and the dodo. And the glyptodon, I think. Oh. I'm inside it. Oh my god. It looks so cute, but okay, now it's all fooling around and cuteness. I'm gonna go ahead and explore the outside world. Even though, but what really just flippin' happened to me? I feel like I'm in the end of the world. What am I? Oh my god, this is like the end of the world. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and teleport to the game. This is weird. I do not like it one bit. I was stuck under by cruel world. Look at the water. This is like a. And look at my drag. Oh, I died. But guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And bye, guys.